Curling hair based on your entire look is a blessing in disguise to make it way more attractive and sexier. But picking the proper hair curler is crucial. The right one can be your game changer, whereas choosing the wrong one can spoil everything. So in today's video, we will introduce you to the top 7 best automatic hair curlers for professional hairstyle. Let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
When it comes to curling long and thick hair, it's pretty painful to hold a bulky curler for a long time. So here we have the T3 Single Pass Curl as your solution. No matter how thick your hair is, this lightweight curler will make your entire curling process a breeze for you. Its digital T3 Single Pass technology heats the ceramic heater to deliver you a fast and high performance. Thus, it will help you create polished and shiny curls in just one pass. Moreover, its 5 different heat settings allow you to choose a precise heat temperature based on your hair type and texture. Therefore, no more worries about styling your hair even when it's heat sensitive. Besides, you will find it easy to use with its smart twist dial to regulate your preferred temperature. Lastly, when you're tired of the bulky curlers, this T3 Single Pass Curl can come to the rescue to get smooth hair anytime, anywhere. Coming up next with the BaBylissPRO MiraCurl. It will be your lifesaver if you're scared of getting your hands burnt while curling. Sounds relieving? Yes, this one is designed in a different way than the regular curler so that you can ensure heat safety. This curler is innovatively designed with a surround heat system. As a result, it will deliver even heat to your hair for precise and uniform curls. Furthermore, it offers 3 different time and heat settings. It means you can customize your curl to create your desired look. Plus, its powerful brushless motor ensures longer performance and higher energy efficiency. Thus, give a professional touch to your hair with stunning curl formation and definition. All in all, this BaBylissPRO MiraCurl can be a good deal to grab if you love shiny and tangle-free hair with proper heat safety. Whether you're traveling or out of your vanity room, nothing can be better than a cordless curler. Hence, here we have the Conair Cordless Auto Curler that is portable enough to give you a freeze-free curl on the go. Its rechargeable battery offers you up to 60 minutes of runtime once it's fully charged. Consequently, you will enjoy curling without any fuss and leaving your hair with extra volume. Additionally, it includes 3 heat and 4 timer settings for customized hair curling. So no matter how beautifully you want to create your look with curly hair, it will meet all your requirements. Alongside, you will find it convenient to use it as it comes with an LCD display with proper indications. Hence, you don't need to worry if you're a beginner at curling. Overall, this Conair Cordless Auto Curler can suit your travel cosmetic bag as it comes with a longer runtime, compact and portable design. Curling shoulder-length hair with a regular curling wand is too difficult, right? Therefore, check out the Kiss Instawave Automatic Hair Curler 1-inch that comes with a cordless design for portability and curling your short hair effortlessly. This curler starts heat generating with a single push of the button. This is why you will love its instant and effortless curling without breakage or snagging. In addition, you will be impressed with its automatic curling process. All you need to do is make a section of your hair and keep it on the ceramic barrel. Thus, your curler will do the rest and your hair will come out with smooth and wavy curls. Wrapping up, the Kiss Instawave Automatic Hair Curler 1-inch is a smart solution for your short hair, making your journey of hairstyling more comfortable and time-saving. Afterward, we have the Conair Curl Secret to create gorgeous hair looks in seconds. You will enjoy the faster performance for perfect and dangled curls with its professional touch. Featuring tourmaline ceramic technology, it lets you protect your hair from direct heat. Thus, you can ensure healthy hair even when styling at a high temperature. Besides, its sleep mode with auto power reduction makes it energy efficient, so get amazing curls with increased hair volume. It includes 2 different heat and 3 different time settings for personalizing your hairstyles. With its versatile settings, you can curl the hair according to your moods, whether soft, wavy, or ultra curly. In short, this Conair Curl Secret offers fast yet professional curls. Hence, it is a great one to pick when you always need last-moment hairstyles in your busy schedule. Who doesn't want to ensure both quality and affordability? For that, we have the Hot Tools 24K Gold Curling Iron that comes with an ergonomic design and surprisingly is on a much slimmer budget. As it includes a 24K gold styling surface, it delivers an even heat distribution. Because of this, you will get a consistent result for different curling styles, whether it's wavy or spiral. Adding to this, its multiple heating features come with various temperature ranges. Consequently, style your hair according to its right type and texture. Moreover, its wand is designed with a soft touch finish for ensuring a comfortable grip, and so you can effortlessly curl your hair without slipping your hands. To sum up, amazing curling quality and reasonable range makes this Hot Tools Curling Iron a perfect choice for many experienced beauty experts. Whether it's soft, kinky, or wavy curls, you need a curler with versatile features, right? Therefore, the Cheese Spin and Curl comes to style your hair exactly the way you want. Its tangle protection makes it perfect for curling your hair in any condition. So get an effortless curling experience even if you just woke up from bed or have taken a shower. Furthermore, its temperature display lets you operate it thoroughly. This is why you will find it efficient yet beginner-friendly at the same time. On top of that, its ceramic barrel works amazingly for long and short hair. Accordingly, get this to create a flawless curl whatever hair type you have. When you develop the taste of picking all the premium hair accessories, this Cheese Spin and Curl is the best choice for its premium design, effortless performance, and versatile styling features. So these are the 7 best automatic hair curler for professional hairstyle. Hope you find this video insightful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find our videos helpful. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.